Auction property. Welcome to this light and airy, open concept home on a dead-end street with mature trees. This home boasts 3 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, indoor laundry and a fenced-in yard. As you walk through the front door, you're greeted with beautiful, low-maintenance tile that flows throughout the main living area. The enormous living room/dining room combo that flows into the open kitchen area. You'll also find 3 bedrooms with vinyl plank flooring, 1.5 baths and indoor laundry. As you walk out to the backyard, you'll find a deck that's perfect for grilling or lounging the day away. The backyard has plenty of room to entertain with extra and storage shed. No HOA and not in a flood zone. The roof was done in 2014. AC was done in 2014. The appliances and shed conveys. The security system does not convey.Come, see it before it's gone. Homes at this price point don't last very long.